making video or on YouTube. Yeah, of course. Just I practice. Yeah, I practice and I respect you. I respect you. Yeah. The season of Ethiopia. What is the season of Ethiopia?
No sun. Rain is Maurat.
Do you know what is Kaku?
No,
Oh, okay. Just I am clapping. I am clapping. What is the name of tense? I am clapping. What is the name of tense? Wow. What is the name of your university?
Yeah.
University name. Thank you so much for taking higher education. Thank you so much. Yeah, really.
Dakar.
Yeah. Basically, how do you spend your free time?
Basically,
How do you spend your free time? Free time, your pastime. How do you pass your every single day?
time morning and this time after nights.
Oh, okay. Just I pass my every single day by teaching my students and making video for YouTube or on YouTube. Yeah, of course. Yeah, really. Just I practice. Yeah, I practice English every single day with someone. I have come here in this platform to practice English. Really, really.
Okay.
This is the main aim to come here.
Okay.
Okay.
Akmal Sharaz will come. Okay.
Please, what is your favorite hobby? Your favorite hobby? What?
Hobby? Movie.
Movie, watching movie.
And action film.
Action film. Okay, just my favorite hobby, reading books. When I get a free time, I read different kinds of books. Basically, I like to talk.
Eating food. Okay?
Eating food.
Yes.
Okay, eating foods.
Yes.
Okay, basically, my favorite hobby, talking to each other. Talking to each other with different items, really.
Again. Not understand.
Who is talking to you? Who is talking to you? Who?
Okay.
Okay. Actually, how long you Okay.
Okay.
When do you use this app? From when do you use this app? 3 or 2?
Use this app.
3 or 2 years or more. You are using this app. 3.
1 please.
Okay, just I have been using. Oh, I have been using this app since 20 years ago. 20 years ago, I have been using this app. Really. Okay. Actually,
Okay.
you are very beautiful to look at.
Good.
You are very beautiful, and I respect you. I respect you for your hijab. For your hijab. Excellent, excellent. You look very beautiful. You look very beautiful. Yeah.
You?
Actually, have you ever visited our country Bangladesh? Have you ever visited our beautiful country Bangladesh? Yeah. Okay, okay. Thank you so much once again for joining. Thank you so much. Basically, what is the season? What is the season of Ethiopia? What is the season of Ethiopia?
Season? Summer, okay? Summer.
Summer season. Oh,
Yes.
hot
It's
temper.
big.
Hot temperature is increasing day by day. I think that hot temperature.
This time, no sun. Rain is moderate.
Okay, just here in our country Bangladesh, it is rainy season. Rainy season. It has been raining cats and dogs from morning. It has been raining. We cannot go out. We cannot go out without umbrella. Really, we cannot go out without umbrella.
Yes.
And surrounding the water is full of brim. The water is full to the brim everywhere. It is rainy season. But I don't like rainy season. I don't like rainy season. I like winter season. Winter season, cool. It is very cool. I like this season very much.
Yeah.
Do you like rainy season or winter season? Do you like winter season?
I like rain season.
Rainy season. Actually, I don't like
Yeah.
rainy season. I don't like rainy season. I like winter season. And also, I like most spring. Spring, I like most. Spring. Because
Oh,
one bird,
is it there?
Kaku sings song. Kaku sings song. Yeah, sweet song. The bird, Kaku. Really,
Kako?
Kaku. Do you know what is Kaku? Do you know what is Kaku?
No, Kako.
It is a kind of bird. A kind of bird is called Kaku. Just here in our country, Bangladesh,
Okay.
we see everywhere the Kaku bird. It sings a sweet song all the time. When it comes spring, they sings sweet song. Really.
Okay.
Actually, have you any questions about me? Have you any questions?
No.
Oh, actually, I am very interested. Please listen. I am very interested about Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert. It is situated in Ethiopia. Any desert in Ethiopia? Desert. Really? Basically, have you finished? Have you finished Who, who is talking to you? Who is talking to you? Who? Your mother? Your mother is talking to you. Mother.
No.
Okay.
No. I'm just
Oh, okay. Just I am clapping. I am clapping. What is the name of tense? What is the name of tense? What is the name of tense? Clapping. I am clapping. Do you know? Please listen. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am clapping. What is the name of tense? Do you know? Do you know? This is called present continuous tense. I am clapping in hand. Present continuous tense. Tense is very important for learning English. I think that. It is my own opinion. Basically, if you don't know English, if you don't know basically tense in detail, you cannot speak fluently or so fast. Really. You should practice. Yeah, you should practice. You should practice English in detail from a teacher. I am giving you suggestion to practice tense in detail with someone. And you have to practice these kinds of tense with your friends and cousins. Practice English more and more. If you don't practice, you cannot progress, you cannot develop, you cannot shine in life. To get a good job, you have to practice English more and more. Do you know? Do you know how to be fast in English? Speaking English? Do you know how to be fast in spoken English? How can I speak fast? Do you know? You think something. You think or you imagine something. Do you feel boring talking to me? Do you feel boring? Are you boring?
No.
Oh, okay.
Boring.
I am very interested to talk with you because you are my good student. Yeah. Just I can help you. I can help you with different words. Oh, actually, this. Look, below. WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. WhatsApp number. Contact me next.
Okay.
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 If you want to progress in spoken English, basically you have to practice English more and more. Without practice, you cannot speak so fast. I am sure that. I am 100% sure. If you don't practice English, you cannot speak fast with someone.
Okay.
Do you think anything? Your mental condition?
Yes.
Basically, give me your WhatsApp number. Give me WhatsApp number. Give me.
Okay.
WhatsApp number. Give me.
Okay. You're going to be.
Okay, basically, Do you have any idea on globe fully? Do you have any idea about globe?
Yes.
Have you completed higher education?
Not.
School, college or university education have you completed? School or college?
University.
University. Wow, what is the name of your university?
Yeah.
University name, please tell me. Tell me. University name.
Hausa University.
Oh, actually, thank you so much for taking higher education. Thank you so much. Yeah, really.
Thank you.
Okay. I have understood that.
Zakar.
Yeah. Are you going?
Bye.
Are you going? Okay, bye bye. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay.